You right guys, how are we all doing? It's Andy here from Peninsula Painting Projects, and that's right, it's that time of the month. It's the most anticipated time of the month. It's asset drop time. Now, don't forget guys, you can go to their website, it's assetdrop.com. Check out the website, see what they've got on offer. I personally am still loving all of these boxes. And I'll have to admit, I was a bit too excited, and I actually opened my box before I recorded this. Um, I can't help it, guys. I'm a fan of this hobby as well. So I was a bit too excited, and I've opened the box up. So if you're wanting to get a little bit of a surprise every month in the post, if you wanted to buy different paints from different companies, but you don't want to go and spend, say, I don't know, £3 P&P just to buy one paint or three sets of paints, why not consider checking these out? Because that's the way how I see it, you see. I can't really justify going on a website and going, oh wow, I like the look of those paints. For example, Ammo Mig. I think they look fantastic, but I can't justify going on a website, spending £3 P&P just to receive 3 pots of paints. But with this, your P&P is approximately about £3, but then you're getting a whole load of paints in here. So it's introducing me to new paints, and I'm always looking forward to open it up. So let's turn the camera around and see what's in the box. Nice one, guys. Try. That's right. It's the time of the month again. It's discovery time. Let's discover some brand new paints. AssetDrop are enabling customers to discover new paints, some core supplies. So I'm always excited to receive this in the post. The direct debit comes out every month. That's a reminder that I'll be receiving it. And then I forget about it. And then I receive it in the post the next couple of days. I love it. So, like I said in the introduction, I've already opened this because I was a bit too excited. We have got the AssetDrop Guide, October 2018. Now, as you know, we do not look in this until the end because I didn't want to spoil it for you guys, but I've already spoiled it for myself. Oh well. So we'll look at that later. We've got the little thank you sticker. Yep, thank you, not a problem. I enjoy purchasing this, so I don't mind. Let's have a little look at what we've got here. First, we've got some Malwams, little sweeties, always good. Keep you energized during your painting sessions. We've got a trio of Humbrol acrylic paint. Now, that's one thing I didn't know. How much are these? I should have checked, shouldn't I? Humbrol paint, they retail at £1.80. These little pots are £1.80 each. I haven't used these in years, since I used to do the Airfix kits back when I was probably about 8 or 9 or 10. Wasn't really into the hobby that much back then, but it's always good to get new paints, and I can't wait to see what the guide says on what to use these for. In fact, what colours are they? Would be helpful if it was in the view, wasn't it? Doesn't say what colours they are, it just has a number, 94, 103 and 26. So there's like a off cream colour, like a skinny colour there, flesh colour, and like a brownie colour there. So we'll have a look in the guide in a minute and see what they're going to be used for. Now, these are paints that I've seen advertised on Facebook, I've seen it advertised on YouTube, and it sparked my interest. These are metallic paints by Turbo Dork. This is Dark Net, Afterburner, and Blue Raspberry. So probably use this for power weapons maybe. This one. Use this for like flamer weapons and melter weapons and exhausts. And this one, Dark Net, I don't know. Maybe some darkish, blackish metallic armour. So how much they retail at? They retail at £4.68. So that's quite expensive in my opinion. But saying that, how much are how much were these? These were £3 odd, aren't they? From Games Workshop, Retribution Armour. So saying that, it's extra couple of mil, it looks like. Oh, made in America? Didn't know that. 20 mil. Well, there you go. That's 20 mil. And that's only 12, isn't it? I think these are only 12 mils. Yeah, 12 mils. So you're getting an extra 8 mil for an extra couple of quid. It's interesting, that. And obviously the price will reflect upon the fact that it is imported from America. That's another good one. And then the next set are green stuff washes. Wash ink. That's interesting, isn't it? Pectin flesh. Interesting. And ancient sepia. So that'll be quite interesting to use. I've seen a couple of YouTubers using these. Yeah, I am quite interested. So these are 17 mil and they retail at £2.84, which is a decent price really for washes, isn't it? You know, what Army Painters about approximately the same price. I think Games Workshop, but they do theirs in the bigger sizes, don't they? The bigger pots, the 24 mil pots. I think were they about £4-ish. So £2.84 for new washes. You can always try them, give them a go. I think that's pretty cool. So that's a box emptied. So let's pop that box away for a sec. Get these back in view so we can have a little look at them. So let's see. So look at the book now. So the AssetDrop Guide, October 2018. This is issue 13. So it's been going for 13 months. Interesting. So yeah, Turbo Dork, £4.68. Green Stuff World is £2.84. Oh yeah, just to let you know, the guy who runs this, Andy from AssetDrop, what he does is he tests these paints out first, and he comes up with the painting guides here in the back to help us hobbyists to improve our painting and to give things a try. And he gives us his feedback within the guide. So that's a good piece of information, and I think this is priceless. You know, getting information out of other people, it's priceless. So the Humbrol, like I said, £1.80 a pot. So, oh, that's a sneak peek of next month's. That's interesting. Right. Normally they do say how much money you save in this set, but they've not mentioned it in this one. Okay. So Humbrol paints, information there about Humbrol paints. I think they're British, aren't they? Yeah, made in Kent. Thought they were. So, how to paint sandstone effect. So we've got priming your basin, how to measure drops, flat sand, step 3, the wash. So we're going to use the Green Stuff World Ancient Sepia wash for that. And tone variation. Look at that picture. That's what those Humbrols produce. Not too bad. Then we've got the overbrush. And then the final step is to highlight it. Very interesting. I wonder if I could paint my orc bases using this instead of doing that sandstone effect. So the colour shift metallics, dark net. There are some net guns there. Look pretty cool, them, don't they? Ah, the afterburn can be used. Oh, is this blue raspberry? No. Afterburner. Oh, so the shift paints. Ah, so they're not just metallic paints, guys. They're actually shift paints as well. Oh yeah, you can see. As I'm moving that, it's going from purple to blue. I can't really see the reflection on this one, this afterburner. And this one here. So them two might be just metallic paints. Because I can see a bit of green in that. Yeah, so I think they are colour shifting metallics. So the afterburner shift paint. So you start the colour off with a warm metallic orange, similar to a rich copper. The transition then moves through to bright yellowy gold, and finally into a green shimmer at the edge of the shift. Ah, right. That's really interesting, you know. It's pretty cool. Now I need to get some little gold pieces and stuff. I'm collecting D&D soon, and I'm starting to do D&D soon. So I could potentially use them paints in the future for that. And then we've got the blue raspberry shift effect paint there as well, using for the wizard's cloak there. And then what's this one? GSW wash inks. Alright. Green, yeah, Green Stuff World that stands for. There's a bit more information here about the different washes. Okay. There's a little interview there with Turbo Dork. Starting here, that's interesting. And then they give back to the Blue Marine Foundation, which we respect that. Anyone who gives to charity, I respect fully. So guys, what do you think of this box? Have you used Turbo Dork before? Have you used Green Stuff World washes before? Have you used Humbrol before? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you soon. Nice one guys. Tra.